We're randomly in my bedroom because I have curated kind of a capsule wardrobe in this closet, and I want to show you just some outfits I've been putting together. They're so basic but could serve as really good at inspo because I'm assuming you have a lot of them in your closet. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of shoes I've been using, and then ignore up there. That gets like thrown up because these ceilings are so tall you can't reach, but these are all the clothes I've been styling. And like I even have like a sweater in here. Obviously I'm not wearing the sweater. These are PJs, but these are all my clothes right now and that fit and are appropriate to the season. Let's just put them on some outfits. First, starting with what I'm wearing right now, I wanted to talk about this because these are super thin sweatpants. And I don't have any joggers that fit right now in like a very loose, low-waisted way that I like. So I got this pair off Cotton On. They have like this whatever, but I just leave it unfolded. I like a cuff sweatpant, and kind of for the one reason that I just had them. You can pull them up and then they kind of turn into like little capris. It's just getting more bang for your buck for your things you're wearing, and I am wearing these all the time now. I can very easily, like especially with the capri length, I'll do my flip-flops. These are my Croc flip-flops that I got last summer. And then I've been wearing this necklace every day. It's originally from Missouri, but little pearls. I keep my little stud earrings in. You can either do, I've been doing the big French Market basket and this bag because I need everything all the time with a toddler and a newborn. You guys, it's been so much fun. Anyone who says, not that I want to dismiss, but if you're scared because going from 0 to 1 rocked your world, I swear going from 1 to 2 is like a breeze. And trust me, 0 to 1 rocked my world. But like, such a casual little outfit. This is originally from Calvin Klein. I have to get a new one. This was thrifted though, but it's got a big hole in it now. I still wear it. And especially if I'm baby wearing with like my Artipop, you never see it. But we've got like the little capris that we already had in our closet. I definitely already have them in my right size, or in my pre-pregnancy size, but I'm glad I have them for right now. Love it. Another way we can wear this. Oh, and these glasses, I'll try and link everything. I'm normally so bad. These are Bonnie and Clyde in this style Groupie. I go to a swim club in my town, and there's always like high school girls there laying out and tanning, and the group of them came up and they were like, "We love your sunglasses." And I was like, I'm so cool. Is that lame? But it's crazy how much older I feel like than them now. But I think if I would have gone when I was like 21, I would have felt the same age as them. And now I feel like I could be their mother. Okay, the ballet flats with this kind of sweatpant. Like, I don't think you can wear a ballet flat with a wide leg or straight leg sweatpant, but it works with these. This outfit works because the black and the black shoe kind of does that like sandwich method. But because we're trying to show more versions of an outfit, let's see, what else would I do with it? Like, I would definitely do a t-shirt, and I feel like that's a bit more dressed up. That looks really cute. And then even something as simple as like, let's put my hair up in a claw clip to change it up. And there we go. Literally same outfit, different font, but we love it. Yeah, these pants are just so comfy. I'm literally such a jogger girl. I feel like I always talk about that, and everybody hates on a jogger or a cuff sweatpant, whatever you want to call it. But you can also style them like a lot sportier. I got these New Balances. I don't even have a full length mirror in here, and like I'm looking at myself on the tiniest little screen. I feel like I want them long. You guys will tell me in the comments if I made the wrong decision. And then I've been so into wearing a bandana. I normally do it when my bangs are dirty. It's just too hot to have your bangs down, so I feel like I'm not really gonna love how this looks with my bangs. If you don't have like a little LL Bean canvas tote, like it's so good for the summertime because it goes with anything. I feel like I really struggle with a purse. And day to day, I'm just grabbing my first purse. So having this and the market bag as like the diaper bag catch-all when this doesn't fit everything works really well. And these pants are just so thin that they work in the summertime. I'm so into the bandana. Next thing I've been wearing a ton of are dresses, obviously, so let's style one of those. I have quite a few. I'm definitely gonna style. I have a new Christy Dawn one I wanna show you guys that they sent me. But you guys love this one. I never told the brand because I never looked at it. It is See You Monday, but it's originally from TJ Maxx. This is so pretty. We can dress it down so much. I have so many from, I think I have 3 from SEZANE, which is so many for this closet. But this white one, it's still a little big or a little tight on the boobs, which like one of my advice is just put away the clothes that don't fit you. You don't want to like be struggling putting them on. This little bodycon one, stripes from SEZANE, is so pretty. And then this one's just like stunning. Like this, it doesn't need any styling. It can be worn literally however. But let's do one of my favorites, this big shift dress from Old Navy that my mother bought me. Truly, nothing about this dress is that like extravagant, but it does all the work for me. I still love these little ballet flats from Cushionaire. I got, I want to say last spring. I don't wear them as much. Literally, my mom's here right now playing with the baby, and she wore hers over. She got the exact same pair. I'm like, I don't care if you get the same pair as me, but like, get a different color, because we're already, my mom and I are twins with our looks, and then we dress the same. It's too much. I know these necklaces are very controversial, these big beaded ones. I want to do a whole video, but somebody like made a video about these and was like, you look dumb wearing them, they said. And I was like, we need to reclaim the word dumb. You don't look dumb wearing a necklace on your neck. You look dumb wearing like pants inside out. Like you accidentally put your pants inside out. You look dumb if you have toilet paper stuck to your shoe. You don't look dumb wearing a necklace as a necklace. I don't care what the necklace looks like. You could look ugly. Your outfit could look ugly. It wouldn't even make you look ugly. It would make your outfit look ugly. But you would never look dumb. Do I look dumb? Just kidding. Okay. I have too much fun sometimes. I'm just obsessed with these glasses. Like, they add this sporty element that I feel like I'm always kind of missing, and when I want to casualify something. But these necklaces are so good for just adding a pop of basically anything when it's too hot to layer, to have a lot of different clothing on, to have something extravagant on, like a little statement necklace. Sorry, so does like a big statement purse. But there's the second item styled, I guess. But I've also got this hat from Gap that I mostly wear as like to the pool, the little wicker hat. And then especially with an outfit like this, like it feels so beach coated. I'll do my little Croc flip-flops, and I'd carry this bag because I think the like woven in the woven is too much, but I think it's super cute. I love this hat. I feel like they're super trendy right now, and I'm all for sun protection. There's the next look. Let's see what else we got in there. I have my little denim shorts, and obviously I have so many ways to style these, but I feel like it could be boring. Let's save them to the end. A pair of red pants. These are from Gap. They're technically PJ pants. I've had these in my cart so many times, and I always take them out because I'm like, you don't need them. But when I realized none of my pants fit still, I was like, you do need them. Does this look crazy? Oh, you can't even see it. They're like bloomers. That's so fun. If you're in charge of costumes at a Nutcracker, party girls should be wearing long bloomers. It's so much cuter, and especially if you have younger kids being the party girls, it hides their bent knees. I don't know where I'm going to share this information. Maybe my daughter will be in a Nutcracker one day and I can advocate for long bloomers. And I feel like all the little girls would hate me because they think they're ugly, but I think they're so cute. This outfit is so easy because it is a set. Again, this is a PJ set. It also came in white. The red was speaking to me mostly because I wanted a pair of red pants to pair with other things. So with this, I've worn my little ballet flats. I can show real quick. Just like this. I went to the mall one day and I thought it was adorable. I love it. I could definitely wear the brown ones as well. The flip-flops, anything. Oh, I don't want this necklace on. I like red and green together, but I just don't need the necklace for something like that. Something else that I've been focusing on, obviously accessories. I feel like you can kind of tell with how I've been dressing. I know like these accessories, it's like this is you experimenting with accessories, but I normally did absolutely nothing. And now because I have less choices in basic or base pieces, I have to like lean more into accessories. Just having one thing that kind of does enough helps, but also like hair and makeup. I've been wearing lipstick a lot more, and I just feel like it pulls together an outfit that kind of has nothing going for it. There's the next look. Keeping these pants on, we can kind of dress it down even more, which I like. I love red and blue, like navy blue together. And then pairing it with my little New Balances, I think looks really cute. Sorry about my bed. There's like a crib pushed all the way to the wall, and the bed is pushed all the way on the crib. That's as far as I could get it. With this, I feel like I would do my green bandana. I think this one's made well. The red one is SEZANE. Obviously, you can get them anywhere. I don't want to mess up my bangs, but I do think my bandana looks better. Is it like too many colors? I don't think so. Honestly, like I would wear this and run out the house and be like, that's the fit. The red pants are just so cute, and then you can be so basic with the rest of it. So this is like a more sporty version, I guess. The bandana makes things sporty or Mormon, not Mormon, Amish, country, coastal, cottagecore. Okay, keeping these pants on. I can't tell if I want the bandana back on or if the hat is cute. I feel like the bandana could make it too Christmassy. I feel like the hat is kind of fun and like doesn't go. Another look. But why do I feel like the wicker for this one like works? Something else I'm into right now is just like such an oversized button up and then cuffing the sleeves a ton. I feel like with the red, this can feel kind of crazy, but we're gonna bring it all together. But the thing is, when I wear something like this top is from Gap, these pants are from Gap, and this hat is from Gap, I'm like, everybody knows I just like am wearing a full Gap outfit. Not that that like matters at all. They're all just basics. And I feel like sometimes like brands or clothes all from the same brand, they go together like a lot more effortlessly because they follow the same kind of color scheme, they follow the same stylistic approach, whatever. And like that's what I'm going for right now. So like if my full closet was Gap right now, I know I'd have a very easy time. This feels pretty bold with like the red, white, the white and blue stripes, and then the red pants. It's like, okay, Miss 4th of July. But I think it's fun for the summertime. I love it. I love all the baggy. I've been loving a button down right now because again, when I wear the Art of Pop, I can sneak a yitty out. There's the next look. Let's put this Christy Dawn dress on because it's so pretty. This is something else I've been thinking about, but sometimes I feel like outfits look almost too perfect and too straight off Pinterest that I don't want to wear them and I want to wear something obscure with it. But sometimes like the Pinterest outfits, you gotta just copy it verbatim. This is such a simple outfit. It's so cute. I didn't even think about it when I was like thinking of outfits I was gonna show you guys. Truthfully, I didn't think about really any of these because they're just so easy to put together, but this is really one of them that you can forget about, and then you put on a white skirt and a button up and sneakers and you're like, that's like a outfit formula for a reason. So don't forget it. This is the dress from Christy Dawn. It's so pretty. It is so lightweight and airy that it's like one of the dresses I wear when it's too hot to function. This and that like big shift Old Navy dress, which feels so different. I wore this to like my doctor the other day and I got so many compliments on it. It has pockets, which is amazing. And I wore it with a bandana and I felt like I was leaning, normally I would think I'm leaning too much into like this style. But honestly, when it comes to like capsule wardrobe, lean into it all. You've only got so many outfits in there for so many days. Like, you can wear this very cottagecore one day and a little bit more like, I don't know, city style-y, whatever. Love it so much with my little brown Cushionaires. And then I wore it just with this bag because I feel like it kind of balanced out the look a little bit better than carrying a French Market bag. But then I think afterwards we went to the grocery store and I did carry the French Market basket, and I feel like, you know, like either bag obviously works perfectly with it. So yeah, this dress is just like stunning. It just doesn't need any styling. But then if I took this off and I did like a flip-flop, it still works. Is it as cute? Maybe not, but it's like so wearable still. And like that's what I'm loving right now with my closet. Anything I put on, I can do just about any shoe and like feel good in it. Again, I will try and link everything on my Shop My, which will be linked in the description. This is such an easy summer look. Black linen top, black linen pants. These are from Everlane, and then the top is Bella Doll. Some big sunnies. And the Market bag. Again, like so effortless, so easy. You guys, like, you get the point of the looks, right? Yeah, and I'm loving not having a full length mirror because I kind of just like put it on, and if I feel good in it, I'm out the door. My bathroom mirror goes to down like here, and I'm like, okay, we're good. And it kind of helps with just like, obviously my body looks a lot different right now than it did before I had a baby, and I just feel really confident not looking in a mirror. Would I look confident would I feel confident if I looked in a mirror? Maybe, but like, why do I have to play that game every day? You know how different you feel every day? It doesn't matter if your body is like at its peak or not. Like every day you look different, or you feel different about how you look. This is the last outfit I'm showing because this video isn't supposed to be like groundbreaking. I'm not supposed to be showing you wearing my dresses, all these different ways of like shirts over my dresses and pants under my dresses and like, I don't know, like tying a shirt as a dress or a skirt. Because that's not like what I'm trying to do right now. I'm not trying to like reinvent the wheel. I'm trying to get dressed in a simple way that I feel good in and that like doesn't have a lot of thought, honestly. So this is something where I'm like, I would never normally show this on my channel, just something so simple, but this is what I've been wearing. I love this top so much. I will put the brand on screen and link it as well, but yeah, just denim shorts, linen top, flowy, can get a baby under there to breastfeed, hat for protection, comfy little like sandal ballet flats, everyday bag. You're golden. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you the absolute most. What? I love you the absolute most. Bye.